years to go to college to get a degree instead of turning pro right away.
My aunt used to watch the political fighters. So Kevin Takaraha, 21 years old. The opponent, Chachai. He's from the NKC. His gym, that's what they do in Thailand. They fight out there.